Hey man, Mr. POTA Head here. Hey man, show you what I'm gonna do with this truck that I stole from Blowzo. And now I was told that Chuck fixed the damn thing. Blowzo went out for a test drive last night and found a stash of 5 ham sticks. That'll work. Gonna steal Chuck's Yezu, his Yaesu, as soon as he drinks a few wobbly pops. Hey Garden, what's going on, man? The hell? Does Chuck eat nothing healthy? Where's the broccoli? Look at Chuck's farmer's latch. The string pulls the junk ratchet up, releasing the door. When you grab these little handle and pull the string, underneath the ratchet he's got a little hose clamp so that you can't pull the ratchet out of the 2x4. Look what he's done on this side. He's used a junk spark plug tool from a lawnmower and duct taped it to a string. Runs out the door. But here he's got an over-center, over-camber latch so that this side stays open. That side you can't latch it open. Now, this is going to be a bit of a stretch, guys. Chuck calls this his garden tractor. And his sister's smarter than he is. She knows what it is. It's a ride-on lawnmower. Now, I'm going to need you to use your imagination, guys. See who made the tractor? It's called Mozilla. Man, look what this nerd has put on this junk. A garage door opener and a voltmeter. And front and rear switches for his high-intensity custom LED head and tail lights. What a nerd. Hey, cacti. Michigan cacti. What a pile of junk. That's Chuck's sun coffee. I'm gonna steal it from him. Onion chives. Sweet basil. And Italian parsley. Summer. Sorry, you Aussies. Hey, man. Chuck here. Mr. POTA Head was losing his voice. Right? It's new. Talking is new to him. Even though he's a ham. I'm serious about doing my first POTA outing. I'm not going to call QRP only allowed because I can't do that, nor would I want to. But on a serious note, what I can do is call... Man, who the hell are you? You can tell I'm retired. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. Calling CQ POTA from Entity Park Kilo 1234. Kilo 1234. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo. Calling QRP only right now. Calling QRP operators only. Any QRPer, go now. And I may even throw in only QRPers this time out. Going to work only the QRPers. So if you're running a desktop kilowatt, turn it on down, boys. 10 watts max. Works Entity K1234. Go now. Hey guys, Blowzo here. Chuck would like to share a poem with you. or at least explain something to you. The hell are you? I gotta chill. Chuck's friend is Blowzo. Chuck lets Blowzo drive Mozilla. You know what that becomes? Blowzilla. Blowzilla. How does that relate? Zilla. Blowzilla. Zilla. Thriller. The Thriller in Manila. That's what we had for entertainment when I was a teenager, guys. Fights like that for free on one of my 7 or 8 channels. The Thriller in Manila. When Mr. Potato Head does, well, I've done POTA activations. When Mr. Potato Head does his first activation, oh, is it gonna be a thrill?
Tonight, darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. I'm gonna be tonight. Baby, hey, the foulest stench is in